Well, I think one of the key differentiators of RICS conferences vis-a-vis most of the other industry conferences is the dual agenda of these events. When I say dual agenda, you have most conferences which are either focused on networking, or you have conferences which are academic driven, where there is learning involved. What I've always witnessed at RICS is a healthy mix of both. So you have industry participation, you have opportunity to meet the industry leaders, and in addition to that, the topics and the way the conferences are convened, you're always keeping abreast with newer trends that are emerging, whether in the industry from a regulatory perspective or from a market perspective. The main thing, like I said, from RICS, the main value that a person can derive is a continued learning, a continued association with the key industry people. There is always a focus on improving the industry. There is always a focus on the newer aspects that are plaguing the industry and how can they be resolved. There is a genuine effort on the part of all the participants, as well as the RICS members and RICS itself, to project these issues across and to come up with viable solutions, and more importantly, put these solutions across to the relevant people, whether it is within the industry or in the government. I have not come across too many conferences where you have speakers of the quality, especially in the real estate arena, the kind of speakers that RICS manages to get pretty much at every conference, which again stems from the goodwill that they've generated within the industry over the last so many years. People participate because they see value add, because they see a genuine effort on the part of RICS as well, and hence the participation has sustained itself at the highest level. So you tend to meet most of the industry leaders, and they are more than willing to participate in these conferences. I think it's extremely timely and completely in line with market dynamics, because the real estate industry itself is at a cusp. We are changing. The industry has gone through a turbulent stage. A lot of people are still unclear of where things are heading with the real estate industry. There has been a significant change in the kind of funding and the investments that the industry is drawing. In addition to that, even the developers and the markets, which are attracting funding as well as investments and demand, are drastically changing. And hence it's very important to have such events where people can get together, brainstorm as to what went wrong, where is it that the market really needs to head from here, and what are the key initiatives that need to be taken to actually get the market to head in that particular direction. So hence I think it's a very, very appropriate time to have a conference of this sort.